Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Aquarians. What's on your side, Aquarians? Okay, so on your side we have the Two of Cups. On your person's side, Aquarians, what's there on your person's side, Aquarians? So on your person's side, we have the Two of Swords. Oh, the most likely outcome. The Eight of Cups, okay. So on your side, we have the Two of Cups, which is definitely talking about a beautiful relationship over here. And we have the Two of Swords. So somebody is trying to make up their mind regarding something, so this person is really detached to some extent and being either defensive or trying to make up their mind, thinking about something, and the most likely outcome is the Eight of Cups. So walking away from emotions or something which was emotionally important at some point in time towards their peace and happiness. Let's see what's going on for Aquarians. What's there for the Two of Cups for Aquarians? So for the Two of Cups, we have the Three of Cups, okay. The Moon, the Nine of Swords, the Tower, the Strength, the Hermit, okay. The Hierophant, so many major cards, and the Eight of Swords. Eight of Cups once again. Temperance, okay. Let's see what's there for the Two of Swords. So with the Two of Swords, we have the Judgment, the King of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Page of Cups, and the Magician. Why is this Eight of Cups here for? What's this Eight of Cups, please? The Knight of Cups, the Chariot, the Queen of Cups, the Eight of Wands, the Hangman, the Queen of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Justice, the Fool. Okay. So Aquarians, for the Two of Cups, we have the Three of Cups, the Moon, the Nine of Swords, the Tower, the Strength, Hermit, Hierophant, Eight of Cups, Eight of Swords, and the Temperance. So what I feel here is that maybe this was a love triangle with the Moon and the Three of Cups. What I feel is it was a love triangle. Perhaps things were not very clear to you, but then perhaps this came to light suddenly. Maybe you gained some sort of clarity suddenly, and this led to this anxiety and a lot of sleepless nights, tension. There's a lot of anxiety and tension because here we have the Tower followed by the Strength, and here we have the Eight of Swords and the Eight of Cups. So Aquarians, what I feel is the connection which you thought was only with you perhaps was with someone else also. That's what I feel with the Three of Cups and the Moon. But yes, things were not very clear to you. You really didn't know what's happening, and there is a lot of anxiety going on for some reason. But with the Tower and the Strength being there, I don't know why I'm getting the vibe that Perhaps though the things were not very clear, but perhaps suddenly something has come to light which has caused this tower moment for you, and it's requiring a lot of strength on your part to deal with this situation and come out of it. With the Hermit and the Hierophant, Eight of Swords, Eight of Cups and the Temperance. So what I'm getting here is that this is a situation which you thought was your ever after, was your person whom you really wanted to be with all the time. You wanted a commitment, but this has come as a shake up for you, that there was some third person involved. And but yes, you are not really doing anything about it, but yes, trying to deal with it with a lot of patience and perseverance, being in touch with your own intuition, with the Hermit focusing on yourself. Okay, and with the Eight of Swords and Eight of Cups, since it has been a tower moment, it has immediately led to a lot of anxiety, a lot of restrained energy, and you really don't know how to deal with it, sort of. With the Nine of Swords and the Eight of Swords, you are totally feel as if it's really taken you, it's been a really tough thing for you to deal with. Okay, it's suddenly come to light perhaps, and you really feel as if you really don't know how to deal with this situation, but ultimately you are doing it because you are, perhaps you are trying to meditate a lot or pray, whatever, be in touch with your own self. With the Hermit, it is the Hermit energy which is helping you to come out of it, and you're ready to leave it behind and balance your own life back to track, leaving this whatever it was in the past. And here with the Two of Swords, somebody is trying to take a decision, as I said, and for that we have the Judgment, the King of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Page of Cups and the Magician. So this person is definitely taking some decision over here. With the Judgment, the Emperor and the Seven of Pentacles. So this is the time which they are reviewing and contemplating what to decide. So with the Judgment being there is some major decision which is being taken, time to decide something. And with the Emperor, so what I feel is maybe this person maybe he's your boss or something like that. So this person is taking a major decision, and that decision seems to be, I don't know, maybe they have really said something to you that this situation came to light of the third party or the love triangle. But some major decision has been taken after a lot of thinking and contemplation. Page of Cups and the Magician, what I feel is, they are also trying to have a new life for themselves. What I am getting here is that, see, Magician can be a trickster also. Maybe either they are attracted to someone else and trying to have a new beginning with someone else, can be a reason, because they are deciding something over here. And with the Judgment, there is definitely a decision which is being made by someone in authority or superior to you in some way. Maybe they are finding somebody else attractive and moving towards them, with the Magician being there. It can be that also. I really don't see it's you. Or maybe this is what they have, this is the trickster energy, that they showed you some love and concern, and you thought that it was a beautiful relationship leading to commitment, with the Hierophant being there. Maybe that was a tricky thing which you couldn't understand, can be that also. And here for the Eight of Cups, leaving things behind, walking away from this relationship, what I feel. With the Knight of Cups, the Chariot, the Queen of Cups, the Eight of Wands, the Hangman, Queen of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Justice and the Fool. See, we have the Knight of Cups here and the Page of Cups here. So maybe this person actually showed up, showed some emotions towards you, and maybe things even started picking up pace. Can be that also. And here we have the Queen of Cups. So somebody felt very content. I think it's your energy that even though they showed a little bit of love with the Page and the Knight of Cups, uh, and maybe there was actually things picked up pace, and with Eight of Wands there was a lot of passionate energy and a lot of passion going on during communication. It can be that also, but what I feel is maybe suddenly this things came on halt. Maybe it started off pretty fast in some way, and then again and suddenly something happened. Maybe, as I said, during this communication, maybe because somebody is taking a decision, this person is taking a decision, and it is the communication, maybe it is communicated to you through them or through some person, or something has happened with the Eight of Wands energy. Some communication is there from them or from the other person, which is coming as a tower moment once you realize that it's not only you, okay, in their life. And here, since the situation is stuck, here you start focusing on yourself with the Queen of Pentacles. That's what I feel. Focusing on yourself with the Page of Swords, you have the clarity as to you need to move away from this. And with the Justice and the Fool, what I feel is this is you're trying to sort out your life. Here also we have the Temperance, so with the and the Fool. Okay, so this is something as you are trying to balance your life and ready for a new beginning. That's what I feel. So Aquarians, definitely it has come as a shock for you, and you are but ultimately you're ultimately coming out of it, don't worry. So let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Aquarians. Be willing to express love. Number 6 may be of some significance for you. Express love to receive love. So this is your guidance. So it can be on anyone's part, because both of you, I think, are moving away from each other. So to attract right kind of love, you need to express right kind of emotions. So that's all I have for you, Aquarians. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.